Rudo Chakwera, 3 million with part payment. Balance is 183,000. So I now go to 2025-20. I now go to the last growing season. Hare Kanjuzi, 590 million with part payment. Jairos Bonongwe, 397 million. Tipirire Chambankoma, Tipirire Chambankoma, the loan was 325 million. The balance is 130 million. Paul Dumbembe Nkoma, 313 million with a balance of 86 million. Ule Muchilapondwa, 291 million. Sekeleni Chisimba, 303 million with part payment. Esther Chamalaka, 325 million. Chakufa Chihana, 318.6 million. Yathet Chikunga, 307 million. Baleke Kaonga, 243 million. Claire Kaunda, 281.6 million. Kalima Chimanja, 271 million. William Mbiliam Veka, 260 million. Titani Kamutu, 249 million. Anthony Ngoma, 239 million. Zakaria Mbulunga, 235 million. Abel Kalinde, 233 million. Madalitso Kazombo, 225 million with part payment. Limbikani Mahachi, 223 million. Tendai Gama, 220 million. Ezekiel Chingoma, a balance of 23 million. Patrick Namvai, 213 million. Alik Muntali, 188 million. Shadrick Friday Marua, 209 million. Chimwemwe Kalazi, 205 million. Yona Mtanga, 205 million. Alinafe Sawasawa, 130 million. Maxwell Makaza, 203 million. Jean Rose Gotani Mkandawire, 198 million. Gareth Fisombero, 167 million. James Mdala, 189 million. Hyphen Dishani, 188 million. Alex Chirwa, 186 million. Justin Likunya, 186 million. Jeannie Mwona Sendeza, 182 million. Geoffrey Mbulo, 180 million. Sobani Gomezulu, 176 million. Paul Nyirenda, 176 million. Tadara Kambwiri, 173 million. Katenje Samuel, 155 million. Samuel Katenje, again, 53.9 million. Frank Misozi Alawe, 173 million. Ricky Kantema, 172 million. Devi Mwina Manghoma, 169 million. Kisumu Kani, 167 million. Vitumbiko Mbulo, 166 million. Pitilizani James Banda, 164.8 million. Gift Kadam Manja Chunga, 164 million. Afford Matthias Matewere, 164 million. Elizabeth Nkwazi, 163 million. Madalitso Seremani, 162 million. Kazanja Bridge Note, 157 million with part payment. Natasha Piri, 161 million. Vicente Cosmas, 160 million. Isaac Marua, 158 million. Tita Farida Juma, 157 million. Mark Griven Matemba, 156 million. Samuel Selemani, 136.7 million. Owen Malinjani, 154 million. Richard Sanudi, 152 million. Abdul Hape Kamwendo, 152 million. Chris Elifala, 147 million. Noel Nyanda, 151 million. Scholastica Chinseumposi, 150 million. Rodney Adams Nkoma, 138 million with part payment. Hare Malua, 137 million with part payment. Grace Jonas Chibwana, 71 million. Paul Muo, 148 million. Clara Shimaza Meke, 128 million with part payment. Peter Chikafe Piri, 116 million. Charles Kasarika, 107 million. Blessings Chingolombe, 144 million. Bowden Mtonga, 143 million. Regina Kanjadza, 142.9 million. Peter Malua, 128 million with part payment. Jafet Vinyemba Banda, 140 million. Fatima Sanudi, 137 million. Jesse Kapombe, 137 million. Smollett Kachere, 137 million. Mavuto Simon Kaunda, 136 million.